Good morning, student. Today I am going to discuss in next heterocyclic polynuclear hydrocarbons next compound, that is the pinanthrene. Okay, so first, the name pinanthrene was given by Fittig in 1973 due to reaction with diphenyl and anthracene. Due to reaction with diphenyl and anthracene, pinanthrene is structurally an important compound. Its skeleton is found in various natural products such as morphine, steroids, amide acid, etc. Okay, it was isolated from coal tar. In pinanthrene, the ring 3 are in angular position. That is the most important point. In pinanthrene, the ring 3 are in angular position. Thus, pinanthrene is isomeric with anthracene structure. Okay, the molecular formula of pinanthrene. The molecular formula of pinanthrene is C14H10. The structural formula like as 3 benzene ring. First benzene ring is 3 bond, second benzene ring 1 bond, then last benzene ring 3 bond. Okay, that is the main points, generally introduction. Okay, next, synthesis of pinanthrene. Next, discussing synthesis of pinanthrene. So for your exam, write the synthesis of pinanthrene in 3 marks, 4 marks or 5 marks. Any times write down or explain the synthesis of pinanthrene by using Fischer's synthesis. Directly name is Fischer's synthesis or Haworth synthesis or by Friedel-Crafts synthesis. Okay, so one by one synthesis are discussed. So first, synthesis that is the name is PSCHOR, Fischer synthesis. Okay, so here Fischer synthesis in 1896. This method is very useful for preparing substituent pinanthrene with the substituents is known position. With the substituents is known position. Fischer synthesis is based on Perkin reaction. You know what is the Perkin reaction? Generally, these syntheses are totally depend upon Perkin reaction. So one by one steps are explained here. Step 1. Okay, step 1. When orthonitrobenzaldehyde is heated with sodium and phenyl acetate in presence of acetic anhydride, okay, gives alpha phenyl orthonitrocinamic acid is formed. Okay, when first step, when orthonitrophenolate is heated with sodium and phenyl acetate in the presence of acetic anhydride gives alpha phenyl orthonitrocinamic acid. Okay, so here first structure is orthonitrobenzaldehyde. So here one benzene ring, okay, here CHO, here NO2. So here double bond, here double bond, here double bond. These are orthonitrobenzaldehyde. Okay, is heated with sodium and phenyl acetate. So first phenyl acetate, here these are phenyl acetate, and here sodium phenyl acetate, sodium and phenyl acetate, that is the ester group, in the presence of acetic anhydride. Okay, so gives alpha phenyl orthonitrocinamic acid. So like as here first, okay, here double bond, double bond, double bond, here NO2 group, okay, then here CH double bond C, okay, then here these are water, okay, C, here COOH, then remaining aromatic ring, okay, here double bond, alternate double bond, alternate double bond. Okay, these are orthonitro, a compound, sorry, these are alpha phenyl orthonitrocinamic acid, that is the first steps. Okay, then second steps, in second step here this on reduction followed by diassociations gives, which is then treated with H2SO4 and copper yield and copper powder yield. Okay, and here in only second step, this on reduction followed by diassociation. Okay, so here in second step alpha phenyl orthonitrocinamic acid, okay, in presence of NaNO2, sodium nitrite and H2SO4. Okay, so here CH double bond C, is COOH. Okay, then aromatic ring. Okay, then here attack N2HSO4. These are positive. These are positive. N2HSO4. That is the dissociation in step second. Next steps in step 3. In step 3, so this product here N2HSO4, here CH double bond C, single bond COH, single bond, then aromatic. Okay, then these step here, which is then treated with H2SO4 and copper powder yield in presence of Cu H2SO4. So here gives first here main product main product, here double bond, here single double bond, here only single double bond, here double bond, then remaining COOH. That is the main product 9-carboxylic acid. Okay, that is the main. This is the Fischer synthesis. Fischer synthesis. So again repeat here this synthesis. In Fischer synthesis, when orthonitrophenol is heated with sodium and phenyl acetate in the presence of acetic anhydride, alpha phenyl orthonitrocinamic acid is formed, that is this, in step first. So in second step here, this is on reduction followed by dissociation gives, that is the dissociation, NaNO2 and H2SO4. These are sodium nitrite and H2SO4, which is then treated with H2SO4 and copper powder yield, gives pinanthrene 9-carboxylic acid, which on strong heating gives pinanthrene. That is the step fourth. In step fourth, in Buttonless product 1, 2, 3, double bond, here COOH, then here double bond. 9-carboxylic acid, these are pinanthrene 9-carboxylic acid, which on strong heating gives strong heating decarboxylation. That is the decarboxylation. What is the decarboxylation? Removal of CO2 molecule. The reaction in which removal of CO2 molecule, that is called as the decarboxylation. So gives main product. Like this. These are phenanthrene. Okay, these are phenanthrene. Okay, in step 4th, one by one steps are explained. Step 1st, step 2nd, step 3rd, phenanthrene 9 carboxylic acid. These products are found only these phenanthrene 9 carboxylic acid which on strong heating, that is the decarboxylation, then main product are formed, that is the phenanthrene.